In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Epson ET-2850 printer to your computer using a USB cable. So this is an alternative if you don't want to use the Wi-Fi. So let's get started. First, you need a cable, and this cable is not included in the box with the printer. So I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one from Amazon. The USB port on this printer is located on the side. So if I turn it like this, right over here, this is where this end of the cable should go. Now go ahead and connect your USB to your computer. Okay, and this is about it. What I suggest now is to leave your computer at least 2 or 3, 5 minutes, let's say. It will download automatically the software that it needs to run this Epson printer, and usually after, again, 5 minutes, everything should be downloaded. Open any files that you wish to print. Let's say I want to print this one. Select the print icon. And your Epson ET-2850 series should be over here. You'll have a preview, you'll be able to change the settings, press print, and it will work. Now, if you have issues with this and it does not work, even if you tried, it simply means that you may have to download the firmware, the driver, on your computer, because it's not able to do it alone without your help. So go ahead, go on Google, type Epson ET-2850 driver. Then click one of the first links. It should be the official Epson website. Don't download stuff from random websites. So here I have the Canadian one. This is the American one. It does not matter. All right. Make sure that you are in the download. Choose your OS. So select Windows or Mac OS. Choose the one that you currently have. And from here, go down and download the drivers and utility combo package installer. Press download, open that file, and the driver will be installed on your computer, and it will be able to connect to your printer. So this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.